Alright everyone, Doug Seib, seal of approval about to happen at the Manhattan. We're driving in now. We actually have a babysitter, and Lindsay of course is sitting right here next to me. We're actually going to go eat. Now we're going to go around to this side. Drive through here. Over here. Alright people. Trophies. We're headed in. See you inside, Centerville. Woohoo! Doug Seib. See you approval. We're here inside. Pretty busy here actually. A lot of people in here checking out the menu. Lindsay is scoping for what she's gonna eat. Very determined look on her face. Determined to eat something. Any ideas? No?
Chicken strips and french fries.
That's it?
And we're gonna get breadsticks.
We'll look at the menu, everyone. From the lounge. Yeah. We're gonna try the chicken cordon bleu. And Lindsay is going to have the chicken strips. We'll be back. Our drinks have arrived. I'll be tasting the Corona, and Lindsay will be tasting the Coors Light. Have you had a drink yet, Linz?
Yes.
And what's it like? Is it good?
Very cold.
Very cold and good? Excellent. Thank you, Lindsay. We'll be back. Hi, Corona. I love you. The breadsticks have arrived, and there were 5 actually on the plate when they came. Lindsay has one, almost gone, and I'm working on my first one. And by the way, the Corona is fantastic. So, big Doug Seib seal of approval on that one. Well, as you can see, we'll be back. Eating it all. It was fantastic, so they're on the right track to the Doug Seib seal of approval. We'll be back. That's right. Coming right back. The food has arrived. There is my chicken cordon bleu and baked potato, looking pretty yummy on the wild rice, bed of wild rice. And Lindsay, what do you think?
Looks very yummy.
Like your chicken strips, looking good?
Yep.
Little orange garnish. She's happy. All right, Centerville, we're gonna eat. We'll let you know how it goes.
Big time, Doug Seib. Seal of approval. We'll see you next time at the next place. You never know where. But we might just be there. See you later, Centerville.